This video will cover the next two tips to help you save time in answering maths problems around algebra. Previous two tips were covered in the previous video. I suggest that you visit the previous video if you haven't already. Tip number 3. Adding and subtracting is only possible for similar terms. This means when we have a multiple of algebraic terms, we can only add or subtract the similar terms. Let's have a look at the following example to clarify. M plus M plus M equals to 3M, and that's because we're adding three similar terms. S plus 2S plus 4S equals to 7S. Again, that's because we're adding three similar terms. L plus 4L equals to 6L. 2y plus y take away 3y equals to 0. 5p take away 2p take away p equals to 2p. And finally 6t take away 3t plus 3t equals to 6t. So we were able to add and subtract in each one of the equations because each one of them included similar terms. Now let's have a look at the next example. Example 2 shows different terms in each one of the equations. Let's solve the first one. M plus p equals to m plus p. It's not possible to add m to p. 2s plus 3t equals to 2s plus 3t. Likewise, you cannot add s with t. They are two different terms. And finally, 3r plus 5l equals to 3r plus 5l. So you can only add and subtract terms if they were similar terms. Let's have a look at the next exercise. As you can see, there are different terms on each line. Would you be able to add or subtract these terms? Pause the video and have a go. Let's answer this exercise together. P add 2p add x equals to 3p plus x. We can only add the similar terms. So we'll add p with 2p, but we cannot add x with p. The next one, L plus L take away t equals to 2L take away t. 4s plus 2m plus 4s equals to 8s plus 2m. 2m take away m plus m equals to 2m. 5y take away y take away 4y equals to 0. 6t take away l plus t equals to 7t take away l. If you had any mistake answering this exercise, then I suggest you practice tip 3 further until you get the hang of it before you move on to tip number 4. Tip number 4. Same terms to be added or subtracted depending on the sign attached to it. Let's have a look at the following example to clarify this tip. 3x plus 4y take away 2x take away 4y plus 5 equals to 0. Using tip number 3, to solve this algebraic equation, first thing, we need to add and subtract only similar terms. When selecting similar terms, you must select the sign that is attached to the term. In this example, I would select 3x with minus 2x. I would also select plus 4y with minus 4y. Plus 5 is selected on its own. This equals to 3x take away 2x plus 4y take away 4y plus 5 equals to 0. And because plus 4y and minus 4y cancel each other out, this means x plus 5 equals to 0. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then click on like so more videos will be created for you and others. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel should you wish to gain access to practical questions or future tips and videos. If you wish to see similar videos of a particular topic, then send me a comment. Or you can click on the next video. The next video is called 11 Plus Maths Algebra Part 3, which focuses on solving algebraic equations.